Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Memberstack and Stripe for subscriptions step by step clearly. First, ensure you have both a Memberstack and a Stripe account set up. Log into your Memberstack dashboard. Navigate to the Integrations section. Click on the Connect button next to Stripe. You will be redirected to the Stripe login page. Enter your Stripe account credentials and authorize the connection. Once connected, return to your Memberstack dashboard. Create a new membership plan or select an existing one. Set the membership type to a subscription model. Define the subscription details, including price and billing cycle. Save your membership plan settings. Next, head over to the Stripe dashboard. In Stripe, create a new product that corresponds to your Memberstack subscription. Set the product's pricing model as recurring. Save the product details. Go back to Memberstack and navigate to your membership plan. Connect the Memberstack plan to the Stripe product you just created. Make sure to set up the trial period if necessary. Configure your website or app with Memberstack's JavaScript library. Incorporate Memberstack's authentication components into your frontend. Add a sign-up form where users can register for your subscription. In this form, capture necessary user data such as name and email. Utilize Memberstack's API to bind the form to the subscription flow. After the user signs up, redirect them to a confirmation page. Incorporate Stripe's checkout experience for handling payments. Set up webhook URLs in Stripe to receive payment updates. Ensure proper error handling during authentication and payment processes. Test the entire flow to confirm that subscriptions are processed correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.